Hello guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you a little Excel tip/trick. So as you can see from my bar graph right over here, this looks a little bit more easy on the eye when the marketer CEO wants to look at it. He wants to see everything from the highest to the lowest. The other and the NA, we usually just leave it as it is because those data aren't really that significant. So they want to know all of the key points for it. So how you make the bar graph look like inside a descending order, what you do is, you can see from right over here, all my numbers are skewed, so I'm going to start from the beginning. You click on your chart, you go to chart design, then you select the data. I usually like to start fresh, so I'll just click for right here, remove. And then right here, I'm just going to unclick these guys. And then I'm going to, for right here, I'm just going to add. And my title is going to be percentage distribution. And then to add the data in, I should just like to delete the 1. My biggest number, it is 36. My next biggest number, it is the 13. Then I put out a comma. And then my next biggest number, it is 8. And then 7. And then another 7. Following from there, it's going to be 3. And then after that, it's going to be another 13. And then another 13. Then you click OK. And then from here, I need to start editing my horizontal. And horizontal, it is the description for these guys. I usually like to uncheck all of these guys. And then edit. The first one, it was cost. After that, it comes with competition. After that, the next one, it was not innovative. And then it went to inconvenience. And then it went to no incentive. And then it went to privacy. And then my following one, it was other. And then it was nothing disliked. Let me just click the OK. Everything should show up. And it didn't. Once you have double checked, all of your data has shown up. And if it didn't, you can always manually add it back in the same way that I have taught you. You can just click it all in. And you can double check on your bottom of your graph. Everything looks good from there. And I hope this video helped. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if it did. And if you like to see more of these videos, comment on below what you would like to see on Excel. and remember to hit that subscribe button. Bye for now.